Oh, So, my mom has Filipino caregivers, and we live in Southern California. And one of them sometimes gives me some Filipino food to try. In this case, he gave me something called macaroni soup. Um, so I'm gonna put it in a bowl and try it. Um, and I'm pretty open-minded about food. I generally like most food, so I'll probably like this. I think it has vegetables, it has macaroni, elbow macaroni in it, and it has a little bit of ground pork. Uh, I read the recipe before I started the camera, or a recipe, and nuts. Now I can't remember it perfectly, but um, I do. So if you look up Filipino macaroni soup, you'll see it with various ingredients, often vegetables, and milk. It has milk in it and often some kind of meat, but you can do a vegetarian. I do have a big bowl here. Maybe I should, well, let me shake this first, and then I'm going to unscrew it, and I'm going to move my keyboard away in case I spill any. And then I'm going to put it in this bowl. Uh, so I got some in there. In fact, I think I may back out here. So now this has the macaroni at the top, and I think I got mostly fluid in there. So I'm going to spoon out the macaroni. I should back out here, I guess, to uh, a tray. So I'll spoon some macaroni and so now I got some broth and some macaroni in there. Now let's come back up. Um, I the ingredients here are good, so it should taste good. I don't know if there's anything to make it sweet. I do have a sweet tooth. Um, yeah, it's pretty nice. Uh, I like noodles. I like pork. Uh, Milk has some sugar. Milk has, I think, something called milk sugar. I don't know much about that. If I had thought of it, I would have read about it before I started the video. In fact, I can put it underneath in the description under the video. I think I'll read about milk sugar and I'll put it under there after I cut the video. Mm, yeah, it's nice that it's a soup because it's more hydrated and therefore not so dry. Um, Not so many vegetables am I tasting. I can see pieces of pork. So I'd rate this pretty good. Um, I think when I read the recipes, it looked like you boil the vegetables and meat in water, and then you don't toss out the water. You keep that water, and the meat and vegetables, and then add some milk. Um, and I don't remember when you put in the macaroni, but it's pretty uh, it's pretty nice. Um, would I make it myself? No, I don't eat hardly any meat unless, like this case, someone gives it to me. In fact, I never buy meat myself. So for that reason alone, I wouldn't make it. But otherwise, it's okay. Well, that's a big impediment. Um, would I make it as a vegetarian dish, taking away the meat? Mm, well, I also don't buy macaroni, so no. If someone gave me macaroni and gave me some vegetables, uh, I don't know. I'd probably cook the macaroni and the vegetables and mix them, and I'd probably buy some cheese and melt it and put it on those, which isn't too far away because cheese is made with milk. Anyway, it's pretty good. I have gotten to try a number of different Filipino foods, and generally they've been good. Um, by the way, if I think of something I want to say after I after I finish the video, I'll write it in the description under the video or something I want to change that I maybe said incorrectly. So look for that. I would say the texture of the noodles is is good. They're uh, they're cooked enough so they don't taste raw, but they're not cooked so much that they're excessively soft. So that's good. Um, and the broth is okay. It's got a little bit of oil, pork taste, and some milk taste, and a bit of water taste, I guess.